how much I sell today.
Wow,
yes.
nice to guys. Very good job. Okay.
I will pay. Morning, sir. We are doing Turon tour by tricycle. It's rainy day.
We are trying to find some banana queue.
Okay.
Yeah. The tricycle driver will take us to the banana queue station.
Yeah, you can interview. Yeah. You can interview our handsome driver.
Oh, thank you.
Hello, how are you?
Dennis.
Nice to see you. Nice to meet you.
Just bring the banana queue shop.
Yes, please. Because it's now 4 years that we are waiting to eat some banana queue.
Very good to eat banana queue now, sir.
Banana queue in Coron.
Yes.
Maghanap kami ng banana queue. Yes. Ha? Ah. Nandito kami ng gwapo driver. Ah, alam niya yan. It's too long to find the banana queue. We just arrived. Find banana queue. Look. Oh, beautiful umbrella. Wow.
We finally
go.
found the banana queue shop. And it's here.
Hello everyone. Hey, good morning, Ga. What's your name, Ga? Ah, you see that sales lady? She's from New York. No? Here's banana queue. Pwede hawakan yan? Wow, very hot, really fresh. Ah, can you see this? Pwede na, ipitin ka. Chibu to aussi? Oh, sarap. Si tu peux me filmer? Manger de banana queue? Ato. Tatlo na to ga. Bigay ka. I'll give one to the driver. Hi driver, this is for you. Christmas gift. Christmas gift.
Merry Christmas.
Oh. It's too hot.
First banana queue after 4 years.
Nice.
My dream comes true.
Well,
In Coron.
What's your name?
I'm Meryl.
Nice to meet you. Your banana queue are so delicious.
Thank you.
No, kuya. Oh, kuya. My kuya is younger than me. Ah, my kuya is young. Say hello, kuya, to our
Hi.
viewers. Ah, ano pangalan mo, kuya?
Gary po.
Gary? Ah, nice to meet you, kuya.
Okay lang.
Ah, you say welcome to Marc
Hi.
and Tikay happiness. You see how he cooked the turon and the banana queue.
They are delicious.
Pila ka minuto ba sa maluto na siya? Ah, Tagalog ano?
Bisaya.
Ah, Bisaya. Uy, Ginoo. Nice to meet you, Bisaya.
Bisaya, Bisaya ka din.
Ah, Bisaya po day mo? Ah, we have another clients here.
Bisaya din.
Say hello to Marc.
Out sa mga Bisaya.
Marc and Tikay happiness.
Marc and Tikay.
Ah, dali. Ah, wala akong card. Nakay card.
Ah, vlog mo sa vlog mo Mark.
Dali.
Ah, okay. Ah, Marc and Tikay.
Guys, I found another subscriber. Yeah.
Ayos.
Thank you very much.
Oo, Mark din ako eh.
Mark. He's also Mark.
Oh yeah, you're Mark.
Mark
Nice to
Casayas.
meet you, Mark.
Thank you.
We are from France. I'm from France. And the guy is from Davao.
Davao din.
Davao.
Yes.
Saan ka Davao?
Ah, talo mo.
Kalinan, Wangan.
Ah, kanina buhangin sa Ulas.
Wangan, Kalinan.
Ayos. Kita-kita na rin, malayo-layo lang. Coron, Palawan. Ah,
The world is very small.
ayan eh.
Okay, bye bye. See you. It's delicious.
Even it's raining, guys, so must enjoy the day.
Yeah.
Bon appétit.
This is so good.
Yeah. You can see, this is really a good business. Wow, there's Turon. So come on, Turon, banana queue.
Ada dalawang turot na dalawa.
I want to become a sales lady. I'm selling Turon. Ma'am, good morning, banana queue. Barato lang. Banana queue. Layas ko nung.
Hello, sir. Want some banana queue?
Banana queue.
So, just meet Tikay. She's going to sell you the banana queue today.
I'm selling Turon and banana queue.
Okay, thank you. 5 pieces. Banana.
5 pieces.
Turon.
5 pieces of Turon.
Yes. How
5
much?
pieces of Turon. Okay. Dito po. O sige. Sus, nangurog man, oy.
So Tikay is the Turon sales
Like
lady
that?
today.
Kasi nakuha naman, hindi matulog.
Ito na lang po yung isa para madali-dali. Magadikit yung asukal sa ano.
Because of the sugar, you know, it's very
Yeah.
very thick. How much? 2,
Okay, magkano isa tayo?
3, 4, 5.
So what's your name?
I'm Pedro.
You are from Coron?
Yes, yes.
Okay, you come several times here to buy the Coron?
Yes, yes.
Ah,
Sir, I'll give you one more.
it means they are delicious.
Upe, Christmas gift, okay?
Okay, thank you,
Yeah,
thank you.
Christmas gift.
Christmas gift.
Okay, thank you.
In July. Anyway, in just 2 months it's Christmas already, yeah?
Yeah.
In the Philippines.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much,
Okay,
sir.
thank you. Bye bye. So how much did you earn today?
50 pesos.
50 pesos.
Yeah.
Ah, good.
Good morning. Turon? Turon. O sige. Wow. Nangurog man ang pindira. Uy.
Ay, ano na po?
Turon, banana queue.
Turon, sige. Banana ko isa.
This is banana queue with love.
Limang turon sa banana queue sa 12 yung banana queue po mo.
Ito na po.
Limang turon up isang banana queue. No?
5 turon. Okay. Dos. Ganon ang paglagay.
Limang turon sa
3.
anim na lang po ma'am.
Kailan na? 3.
Big.
4. 5.
Sikat kayo kuya.
6. Tapos 1.
Kasi vlogger.
Oo. 1 banana queue.
No ma'am, wag na po.
One banana queue free
Hindi na, anim na lang daw.
from Tikay.
Alin na lang.
From Tikay. From Tikay.
Okay. And I give you one more.
Okay, thank you.
My Christmas gift.
Yeah. Plus 1 banana queue
Hindi
From
man
Mark.
sila.
from me. One
Okay,
Turon from
sir.
you and one banana queue from me.
Okay, thank you very much.
Iwalay mo sa
Lagay pa
tulungan mo si ma'am
sa
Sai.
Plus 1 banana queue.
Ano ba itong assistant ko? Ang assistant ko wala itong tip.
Mahina mo na kasi.
Mark will give her one Christmas gift. Wow, you are lucky today. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Ito po.
Wow, ginoo ko day. Mapurdoy tani. Mapurdoy ka na, ma'am. Murag pa siya ka mapurdoy. Dili, day. Dili. So, thank you very much.
So what's your name?
Mimi.
Mimi. Nice to meet you, Mimi. Enjoy your Coron and banana queue.
Yes, thank you, sir, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You see, guys, how much I sell today.
Wow,
Yes.
nice to get. Very good job.
Good.
Okay.
I will pay this for island hopping.
Yes.
Natay doon.
Okay, so thank you very much for your good service and good banana queue and good Turon.
Hi, thank you, sir.
Shout out to the cook.
No.
Shout out to my dad.
It's your dad?
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much. And I hope to see you again. We are here until Sunday. We might pass again to visit you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
So guys, you know, I'm selling a lot. So they give me a free Turon.
Turon. So Turon, explain what is Turon exactly.
Turon, that means there's a half banana inside.
Yes.
There is sugar inside, right? Ano? No sugar. With the what we call this? Wrapper.
Wrapper. Yeah.
And then they cook with hot oil, of
Yes.
course, with sugar.
And it's like
it becomes caramelized.
It's like yeah, it's like caramelized
Yeah.
outside, huh? Very good. Very good.
Really delicious. So thank you very much for watching.
Yes, it was a big success. Tikay managed
Yeah, I
to
have a
sell
big
lot.
success today.